Welcome back. We're starting with a little bit of video from the viewing area in Effingham. Pretty soon you'll be focusing on the rain and the remnants of the rain off and on today. Effingham's rain began a little bit before midnight. No flooding problems, but there was always the possibility. There always is, and that's why we watch out for so many things, and that's why we'll be telling you about so many things in this weathercast. For example, we don't expect this to be a problem, but in Oklahoma there has been a development of a thunderstorm system. We expect that this will be dissipating. As we move closer to home, we do see some pockets of increased intensity. This, however, will be sweeping out of the area as we move through the evening. Well, this is the very beginning of this rain system. We thought it was going to be a multi-day or 3-day system. It started with fog in St. Louis. It quickly became intense cloud cover and then rainfall, which for most of us was beginning Thursday night into Friday morning. And now we're looking at what we believe will be the end. This is about 7 o'clock tonight after our News Watch finishes here, and we still see the possibility of some more intense rainfall just south and to the west of Danville, but this is all going to be moving out of the area. Then you have just the cloud cover, and you see even the possibility of maybe some sunshine tomorrow. We will get there. Overnight tonight, lows near 39 degrees, rain diminishing or ending. And those winds, though, from the northwest at up to 15 miles an hour, gusting higher most likely, that may cause some difficulties. Our temperatures won't rise very much tomorrow. In fact, you see our forecast high is only 46. We start out the mid-morning at 41 on your screen, 43 by the noon hour, and then look at 6 p.m. That's right around sunset tomorrow. And I have a note to myself, early to bed tomorrow. That's because on Sunday, we're going to be springing ahead to daylight saving time. Sunrise will be an hour later at 7:10 a.m., but look at that sunset, 6:55 p.m., almost 7 o'clock, and then it will seem more like spring, even though the temperatures won't be boosted very much. You see, we go from 46 on Saturday to only 48 on Sunday, and still those northwest winds holding our temperatures down. But then we have a wind switch from the southwest. The winds will be coming, and that's where we start to warm up. In our second day of brilliant sunshine, our high temperature on Monday will be in the 60s. Now here on campus and wherever you live in our viewing area, you've noticed a few things. Green grass, budding, blossoming, blooming. The question is, are these fine products at risk? Well, looking at our 7-day forecast, we don't think so, at least not in the immediate future. Our average extremes, you see, are 53 and 32, and on the big screen there, the upper numbers are going to reach back into the 60s, maybe almost 70 by Thursday, and the numbers on the low end of the screen also are basically not a severe type freeze, not a harsh freeze.